The reason why I use this to make my animation is because I felt as though it was easier, and it's kind of like a flip book where you go frame by frame, changing things slightly. Um, so I was using this method to create a video for my website, which I was gonna put the video in the background. So if I'm working on it, it says it's under construction. It has a little animation to it. I thought it was pretty cool, so I'm gonna show you how it works. Um, you can see I have the picture, and I have all these little lines that indicates a quarter of an inch of picture, a quarter inch of each frame, and I use these as guidelines, guide marks for the animation which I put. So I just have a simple background, um, some text, and I also have the vehicles that comes across the screen, which are moving and be a part of my animation. So down here in the bottom we have the timeline. The timeline has all these little frames, and each frame has zero point 0.2 seconds. So each frame will be played. There's a delay in between each frame of zero point 0.2 seconds. So I have it that way so it's a smoother transition between each frame. And if I go down here and click play, you can see it just runs through frame by frame and it creates the animation. So I'm gonna finish up on the semi truck. So come down here to its icon where it duplicate the selected frame, and I can just click it and it creates a new frame. I don't know if you've seen it, but 49, 50, same frame. And I just move the semi truck over to the next line and continues that process. So look at 49, 50. You see slight movement from the semi truck. You just repeat this process until you stitch it together and get your full animation. I just use different vehicles as different layers, so I'm just gonna continue on until I finish the semi truck and continues to create more animation. And the last frame is just a complete empty frame by itself. So let's see how the animation takes. So we started on frame 50 and we slowly move through to frame 50, 66. So let's just click and let it run all the way through. And that's how you create a frame animation in Photoshop. Actually have a little stink up here. You're not supposed to be there. Um, there you go. Okay, and to export or save your Photoshop picture as a Photoshop file as a video, come up file, export, render video. Under here you can change the name, select the location where you'll save it on your hard drive, and different types of settings for the picture, like HD quality, Android phone quality, and things of that nature, even YouTube quality. And you just render your video together, and as it loads, it exports an MP4 file, which has the video, and then you could put it in Movie Maker to um, add other effects and audio to your animation. So we're gonna wait for this to load up. Check out it under construction and play the video.